The purchase manager of an organization has collected the following data for one of the A class item. Interest of the locked up capital 20%, order processing cost for each order ₹100, inspection cost per lot ₹50, follow up cost each order ₹80, pilferage while holding inventory 5%, other holding cost 15%, procurement cost per order ₹170, annual demand 1000 units, cost per item ₹10. What should be EOQ? So they are asking for EOQ. Whenever we calculate EOQ, that is computation of EOQ, what is the formula? EOQ is equals to 2AO divided by C and square root of that. So here we should know what is A, what is O, what is C. So here where A is equals to annual requirement of raw material. So in short, I'm writing raw material. So do we know annual requirement of raw material? We'll go through the question. Here, second last item, annual demand. So annual demand they have given 1000 units. So here I'm writing 1000 units. Okay. After that, what they have given? What we need instead? O. So what is O? Ordering cost per order. So we'll find for O in our question what they have given. They have given ordering cost per order in several things. So we have to accumulate the ordering cost per order. So here, whenever we'll get ordering cost, we'll highlight that. Okay, so we'll go through the question. The purchase manager of an organization has collected the following data for one of the A class item. Interest on the lock-up period, 20%. It will go with, yes, lock-up capital. We have locked up capital, right? That is why it is carrying cost. So it will be carrying cost. We'll go with which one is carrying cost? Okay. After that, order processing cost for each order. So order processing cost for each order is ordering cost. So we'll keep that as it is. After that, inspection cost per lot. So that is also ordering cost. After that, follow up cost each order. That is also ordering cost. After that, they have given pilferage while holding inventory. So when we were holding inventory at that time, pilferage happened. Okay. So that will be carrying cost. So here we'll mark it as red. That will be carrying cost. Then other holding cost, obviously if we are holding inventory, that will be carrying cost. So here again we'll mark as red. After that, procurement cost per order ₹170. So procurement cost per order they have given, so that will be ordering cost per order. So here 170, annual demand we are done with. Cost per item. Cost per item is cost of that item which we are buying, the raw material. For that one item we have to pay ₹10. Okay, so ordering costs are black things. So your ordering cost directly we will take is equals to 100 plus 50 plus 80 plus 170. So here 100 plus 50 plus 80 plus 170, and it equals to, we'll total it up, 100 plus 50, 150 plus 80, 230, 230 plus 170 is 400. So ordering cost per order is rupees 400. Similarly, we have to calculate carrying costs, C. So C is equals to carrying cost per unit per annum. Is equals to, so we'll move to these red marks. So 20% plus 5% plus 15%. So here 20% plus 5% plus 15% of what? Of the cost per unit, whatever amount we are paying for 1 unit of raw material, that is rupees 10. So here 20 plus 5 plus 15 is 40%. 40% of rupees 10. So it's equals to 40% of rupees 10. That is rupees 4. Is equals to rupees 4. Now we will put all these amounts, what we have calculated of A, O and C, we will post those in our formula. So I am copying the formula again, and we will replace AOC with amounts. So Control C, Control V. So here, what is A? We'll replace A. So multiplied by A is 1000 units. So here 1000 again multiplied by, what is O? O is rupees 400. So here 400. And what is C? We will replace this C by rupees 4. So now we have to calculate the answer for same. So if you are having calci, take your calcis and calculate the answer for same. So here we'll take on calci. Two multiplied by 1000 into 400 divided by 4, and of that square root. So the answer is 447 units. So if we will order 447 units at one time, the cost of ordering, carrying and purchase cost, the total cost will be the least.